Here is how we're gonna change the microphone input on the iPad. Let me show you exactly how it would work. Let's get started, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos similar to this one. Well, we need to find the settings app where you can get to manage all of those things related to your iPad, obviously, and on the left panel, scroll through the available settings. I want you to find the sounds indicated by the red icon with the volume sign, and in here the second thing in my list of options is the input method. So I can tap on it and it usually allows me to switch between them. I of course need to have some more options available. So for example, if I connect a third-party microphone to my iPad, I'm going to have the ability to decide if I use the iPad's built-in mic or the external one for my input, right? So whenever I go to the voice memos or I don't know, anywhere else, the mic that I selected in here is the one which I'm going to actually use. I also have the automatic option selected at the top. So, if I trust the automatic selection, I also can allow it or, choose this option. But I personally prefer the manual selection. So I just select the external mic or the iPad's built-in one. Obviously, if you have some kind of like headphones connected or something, you can as well use that. So very useful stuff, but that's exactly where you can change the input. I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. If you found this video helpful, just hit the thumbs up to let me know, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads and videos similar to this one.